Okay, today's video's on changing a fuse in Honda PCX 150. This is a 2015 model, and we're just going to open where the battery and fuse box is, and underneath the seat. Just take that out, that up there, and you can see the batteries here, positive, negative, and the fuse box is up here. I took the trickle charger off the battery and I had to charge it because I don't have a plug near my bike where it's parked. To change the battery, it was quite easy, just to remove the negative, take off the positive. So a little elastic cord here that you can just pull out and then unhook it from there, and then just slide the battery out. The only thing I would watch is that these screws here, the nut that's on the far side, can come out when you take the battery out, so you have to be careful with that. But we're doing fuses today, so I'm just going to take the cover off here, which I've loosened already, so I don't have to fiddle around with it. And you can see there's 3 fuses, extra fuses in here, which is good. So I'll just put that down. There's a fuse puller too, but I'm using pliers because I have big fat hands. So I have to change my 5-volt fuse, which is just here, and that's pretty easy to pull out, easier than your tooth. And then I'll just replace it with a new one. It was in the bike, and there you go. Quite easy. I'll need to replace that fuse in my box. Just put that back in, nice and tight, and that's about it. You can just see on here the fuses are here. It tells what each one's for. Mine was for the accessory. I blew it when I was pumping my tires up. I guess those kind of things happen, and that's pretty much it for today. I'm just going to put the cover back on, and I'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching.